Hi everyone, it's Graham from the Small Motorhome Forum and website, and today we've got a product review for you. I'm going to be reviewing this. It's a camping lantern which also is useful because it's a torch as well. It's got a good spotlight on it, and it's rechargeable, and it's also, you can charge your phone up or your laptop with it as well, so it's a bit of a sort of power bank as well. So we'll unwrap it and we'll have a look at it. So it's made in China by a company called Kinsach. It's quite a sturdy looking thing. Let's get it open and we'll have a look. The first thing I like about it is how small it is. So if you're camping or you're travelling light, you don't want something that's massive, do you? So that's a nice size to be taking camping with you. It's easy to pack away, and it's nice and light as well. But it's quite a powerful thing, as we'll see. So it's quite sturdy looking, isn't it? Look at that, that's nice, that is. It's nice, nice shape and everything. Yeah, so if we switch it on, this is the back of it, where the light switches are. So we'll switch it on, and you get the little lights illuminated there. There we are. Now that's quite a good light. It's light in here at the moment, so it doesn't show very well, but that's a nice light that you can use for in your tent or in your camper van or whatever. It will also dim, so you press the button again and it dims, so it goes down to one light rather than the two, which is quite handy as well. But not only that, it's also a flashlight. So if we put this light on, press this button here, you get a good strong flashlight as well, which is really handy. It's got a little carrying handle for use when it's a flashlight, so you can carry it about like that. And also up here, just here, it's got some hooks, so you can hook it which way you like. If you want to hang it up, you can hook it on up to the middle of your tent or whatever. So that's good. So it's a hanging light as well. You can hang it up. So they've sort of thought of everything here, haven't they? You can recharge it via the USB cable, which tucks away quite nice and neatly on there like that. So it tucks around it. A nice long lead, so that you can plug it into your plug to recharge it. So I like that as well, that's pretty good. And that tucks away nicely like that. So it doesn't get, it's not trailing, it's not in your way when you're using the lamp. And also you can plug your phone or your laptop into that USB port there, and it'll charge it up for you. So that's brilliant. So if you're away and you've got no electricity at the campsite, you can use that. You can use this to charge up your phone or charge up your laptop or whatever other USB gadgets you've got. That's really handy. So there we are then. It's called the Kinsach KS5992. KS5992 Kinsach. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link on the bottom of in the description at the bottom of the video. I'll put a link where you can get it from, and I think that's quite a nice, neat little job that for taking camping. Just a job. Charge it up at home. Take it camping. You've got all the light you need. Don't need electricity. You don't need electric hookup or anything like that. You can you've got light without without batteries or electric or anything. So that's really good. It's a rechargeable. So that's it then. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I hope you found this video of some use. Let me know your comments at the bottom if you want, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers for now.